Lola Rosa sits quietly in a chair, her eyes distant, as if lost in memories. Ate Marites stands by the window, looking out at the storm. Ate Nina sits on the couch, nervously clutching her rosary, her face weary. And Ate Lisa, who has just come from the airport, sits in the corner with her arm closed, looking distant. Ate Joy is standing by the kitchen doorway, trying to keep herself busy. Anna is sitting on the floor, sketching in her notebook. And Grace sits near the door, her hands on her stomach, anxious. Mika, the youngest, is sitting in the corner of the book, pretending to read but paying attention to everything around her. Ate Angelita is sitting in the corner and observing everyone. Miguel, the only son, is quietly watching everyone.
Tahimik kayo. Hindi ko alam kung anong nangyayari sa pamilya ko. Noon, kahit tahimik kami, ramdam ko yung pagmamahal mo. Pero ngayon, hindi na.
Ma, we just buried Tatay. Can you give us time? Time? We had years. Nasaan siya noon? Liza, hindi na yan ang importante. Ang mahalaga, nandito tayo ngayon, nagkakasama. Hindi ba yan ang laging excuse? Nagkakasama? Nagsasama ba talaga tayong lahat?
Tatay's gone. But we're still here. Are we really a family?
I don't know if I can keep this baby. Paano kung magalit sila sa amin?
You don't have to go through this alone.
We may not be perfect, but we are family. And if you need someone to fight for you, I'll be the first in line. I'm scared, Anna. Hindi ako katulad ng matatag. Strength doesn't come from being perfect, Grace. It comes from standing up when everything's falling apart. You're quiet today, Kuya. What's on your mind?
I keep wondering if I'm enough. Not just for them, but for myself. I don't know what I'm supposed to be.
Maybe you don't need to be anything. Maybe being you is enough, Kuya.
Alam niyo ba, Marites, ikaw ang unang nagdala ng saya sa bahay na ito. Pero pagkatapos lahat ng mga pagsubok, nawalan ka na ng lakas.
Ma, I was the one who hold everything together. Ginawa ko ang lahat, inalagaan ko si tatay nung nagkasakit siya. Binigay ko lahat ng kailangan nyo. And I did it all alone. Ako lang yun, Ma.
Hindi ko alam kung anong bigat ang nararamdaman ko. You always felt like the strong one. Kaya hindi ko na alam kung ano yung bigat na nararamdaman ko.
May kanya-kanya tayong pagsubok. I left from Canada to escape. But I was running away. Everything. Even myself.
Lisa, hindi ba't kailangan mo rin magpatawad? Hindi lang kay tatay, kundi pati na sa amin.
Naalala ko kung paano kayo pasayin lahat. Parang hindi naman kita na nasasaktan din ako.
You didn't have to carry that alone, Joy. We were all hurting.
I wasn't here when you need me. I ran away when the things got tough. But we need to stay because we are family.
I'm scared, you know? Hindi ko alam kung paano manihira. Hindi ko alam kung matatanggap mo kami.
What? Buntis daw siya.
Pagkakamali man ang nagawa natin sa nakaraan, magkakasama pa rin tayo ngayon. Kung hindi tayo magtutulungan, paano natin aayusin ang mga nasirang bahagi ng pamilya?
Ate Lisa, hindi ka updated? Dadalhin ko na yan. May dinner naman, oh.
Okay, thank you.
Ito na ata yung mauna-unahan. Nakita kong kumatawa ang lahat.
See? We don't need to be complete to have fun. Yes!
This is the family I prayed for. Wala man yung tatay nyo, masaya naman tayo, di ba?
Maybe being perfect is all we need.